Sinabi ni Air Force Chief Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena na karaniwang gagalaw ang mga military commanders sa kanilang mga pwesto sa sandaling may mga matataas na opisyal na magre-retiro. Tulad ng mga pangyayari sa kasalukuyan, may mga bakanteng posisyon sa J-Staff ng AFP matapos na magretiro kamakailan sina General Delpin Bangit at General Rodrigo Maclang at ilang pang general sa AFP.
Part of the military organization. So we get to move from one assignment to the other. And well, as a professional soldiers, we just have to follow orders.
Ang regodo ng mga opisyal ay walang kinalaman sa mga klase ng PMA ayon kay Rabena.
Of course, they are affected, but you know, we are professional soldiers.
Mga notion na yung class 78 daw ay sinasideline ng administration. As a member of that class, what do you say to that? Is there really such effort to sideline those members of the class?
Well, I haven't heard of that yet. But I think in the movement and the designation of officers, it has nothing to do with classes.
Sir, are we expecting?
And it is really something to do more with who is capable of occupying certain positions. And
sinabi pa ni Rabena na sila na nasa Major Service Commands ay at the pleasure of the Commander-in-Chief, Noynoy Aquino.
We are at the pleasure of the President Commander-in-Chief, so that in the absence of any marching order for me to go anywhere else, I will continue to discharge my duties as Commanding General of the Air Force. As far as the Air Force is concerned, I don't see any big massive movement going to happen. It will only be triggered by perhaps retirements or movements, mga ganyan. Yeah.
Si Lieutenant General Oscar Rabena, RH 911, Bing Formento ng DZRH Nationwide.